I'm Allison with Pondscapes AZ, and this is my friend Jody with Decker's Pondscapes. And we're here to show you how easy it is to start your own water gardening experience. Yes. We're gonna put together, just us two, an Aquagarden mini pond kit. So let's get started. First, open the box. Then, what do you think? Pull out the directions, make sure we have everything. We have everything: the bowl, rocks, filter, and pump. And then we added a media bag because we have to wash the rocks. So we're gonna wash them in our media bag. You can get that from Aquascape as well. And then we also have where we're gonna put it all set out with some plants we're gonna add. So we're ready to build.
Okay. So next we have to make sure that the light, the LED light, is secure, which it's secure in here. Just give it a good check to make sure. And then this cord just needs to be run into the channel that's here.
And clip in here?
Yep. So it's just gonna get pushed into there, and then it gets pushed down into that channel. So that way when you put the spillway back on the bowl, it's going to sit evenly through there.
Now we're attaching low section pump with the washer. We put the washer in here, like so, and then just twist. Like so, right? You're good. Oh. You do it. Good thing I have you here. I was gonna do it the hardest way.
Yep. So we just tighten this. And what's nice is this filter, you can, once you install it, you have the ability to move this around. So depending on how you design your rock underneath, you can move this around so it's not getting clogged.
Oh, awesome.
The other nice feature is this
just
comes right off.
Oh.
Yep. So you can, awesome. And then a little maintenance if the waterfall starts to slow down. This unscrews, and you can just go ahead and take this right off and rinse it.
Awesome.
And then your flow is back to perfect.
Okay, so we got it all hooked up. Now this is what you do with the cord. So we're gonna put the cord right in here so that when we put it on, and here's the light cord again, it's gonna be level. So your waterfall, here goes your waterfall demonstration. And it's gonna be level and you have a beautiful waterfall. Now we've put in our rock and our biological filtration, right?
Yep, the biological clay media, yep.
And Jody's gonna explain what this is gonna do.
So the biological clay media is just for biological filtration. And it's a great place for you to put your aquatic plants where we're going to put them. So they're soilless plants, aquatic plants. They can get right in here and they can grow and thrive right in this clay media. Nice.
Yeah, it honestly took us 15 minutes. And that's with two people. So I'd say with one it'd take maybe half hour tops. But I don't even think with one it would take a half hour. 15 minutes, you have this beautiful patio pond. We're in Arizona. We'll probably put some mosquito fish in there, maybe a goldfish for the kids, and we're good to go. I love it. Super easy. We hope you've enjoyed our video and we will see you next time.